Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is 10 years old, and he is a twin. And we're working on arm strengthening. So we've done a lot of pushing activities, but not many pulling activities. So we're going to try pull-ups, but from laying on your back. I like using just a mop or a broom. They have this broom here. And I want you to pull up, and you just come up to basically a sitting up position. So keep your hips down and pull up. 1, just touch your head on it. 2, don't hurt yourself. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about one more? 8. That was terrific. So that's the way I start working on pull-ups. I use a broomstick. Sometimes I put them across. If I don't want to personally hold it, I'll put it across a chair and a chair and put it across the chairs to be able to have them hold on to it to pull up. But it's really easier for me most of the time just to hold the pull-up, the broomstick for him to pull up on. This is a simple way to work on arm strengthening, this time getting more lats and rhomboids to pull up. And gets a little bit, if you notice his head lagged just a little bit as he came up. So getting a little bit of neck flexion with that too. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.